Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. In this video I'll show you how to set up a nearby share function on your Xiaomi 12. So first you need to open the control panel, enable location, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Then find here nearby share, tap and hold on it. Cool, here you will see this message. Click add or verify. Scroll down and click yes I'm in. Then you can rename your device, for example, Hearts 12. Click rename. Make your device visible for others, for example, for contacts only or for everyone. I suggest you use the everyone mode. And you can change data usage mode, Wi-Fi only mode, mobile data, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth mode, or only Bluetooth mode. So choose preferred mode of the data usage and just enable nearby share. Cool. Now, for example, I want to send the image from my Xiaomi 12X to my Xiaomi 12. How can I do it? So open the image or file, click share, click OK, click nearby share, wait a while and you'll see your device on this device. So click on it and on your Xiaomi 12 you need just click accept button, then wait a while. Click view photos, and as you can see, photo was successfully sent. And that's all. Nearby share working. Thank you for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.